Mentri Rangbah ka Jylla konrat kongkal sangma, ulah kentaj beniakran ne selok halor ka jingdawa ban Pynkylla ya ka Bhah Thungkam ha ka Jylla, da ka baong bakane kamat kan sa Ktah jor ya ka Jylla. Habiakran bat kilat pathai khubor, nakaliang Mentri Rangbah ulaong ba mentahi kampat dei kapor ka babiang beniakran, halor ka jingdawa ban Pynkylla ya ka Bhah Thungkam ha ka Jylla, bakane kamat kala ban Ktah ya ka Jylla hi barok kawai. Konrad kongkal sangma, ulaong bahalor kane kamat ngiladap baniakran Bhah, ha kabalas ngotu bakalong kamat ka baampat day kapor kababiang bansyim ya kane kamat, ha kabakala ban Ktah ya ka Jylla, kumtangi klempat kwa bania selok ya kane kamat. Ulaong bahalor kane kamat Bhah Thungkam kabala ban Ktah ya ka Jylla, bun na kinong mikmat bat kinong syong hi kitip ya kane, kumta kampat day kapor baka sorkar kan ya selok ya kane kamat, namar bakan sa Ktah jor ya ka Jylla.
This is an issue that we have been discussing with everybody. That this is not the appropriate time to discuss this matter. It's a very complicated matter, and this has got larger repercussions in the larger national scenario. And therefore, at this point in time, it would not be appropriate for the government to look into that aspect, as it would impact the state and its people in a large way. So therefore, we have not gone into details of that, and most of the political leaders are aware about the issues. Most of the even the largest section of society is aware about those issues, and therefore this may not be the appropriate time to discuss that. As I said, it may have larger ramifications for the society and for the tribals of our state as a whole.